February 13th, eating rice cereal. She likes to eat it with her hands. Here we go. Yeah. Yum.
Hannah, what are you doing? Oh, don't tape me now, Dad. I got it in my hair.
I got it in my We just gave you a bath.
I got news, Mommy. Me and the Bumbo are gonna need a bath. Look how delicious. Why don't you try some, Mommy? Yeah, right. Oh, hands all over this thing.
Okay. Hold on. Take a break.
Oh my goodness.
Show the hair.
I don't know if y'all can appreciate the gravity of this messiness.
See you later, Hannah.
Bye. Love you.